Hey there, everybody, it's Kane here today. I'm gonna try a song I haven't really tried before. It's Lee Brice. I don't sound that don't sound like you. Wow, sorry. Never really. I've listened to the song. I picked up words every now and then, so I don't know all the lyrics. So please bear with me. Enjoy. Thank you. Girl, I'm glad you called. First heard you talk. I need you a second cause I couldn't hear your drone. That don't sound like you. That don't sound like you. No, it's been a while. Don't mean to pry. And you, if you're happy, I didn't hear a smile. That don't sound like you. That ain't the girl I knew. You always sounded like truck tires on a gravel road, laughing at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? You don't sound like you anymore. Your pretty brown hair, you always loved it. Guess he didn't like it, so you just cut it. Well, that don't sound like you. That ain't the girl I knew. You always sounded like truck tires on a gravel road, laughing at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? You don't sound like you anymore. Oh, anymore. That town, that job, that guy, you can leave them behind. Girl, you know you're better than that. If you wanna come back, baby, come back. Baby, come back to me. Tires on a gravel road, laughing at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? You don't sound like you anymore. The girl I knew. You don't sound like you anymore. Anymore. So, there you go. Like I said, tried the song. If you guys listen to it, thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe on the YouTube channel. Just Kane Taylor. Request songs if possible. Again, everybody have a blessed day out there. See you out in this real world. Deuces.